If you have a dog and you want to train him with treats, you might want to pick up this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I know that we use treats to train our pets, and having treats with you all the time is something that's not super easy. You don't want to just stick them in your pocket. So they make these little treat pouches. You can see this one is like a nylon, which is kind of nice. It's actually pretty big. This is actually bigger than I thought. I'd call it maybe 7 inches wide and 6.5, 7 inches tall. So it's pretty big. Now it is compressed here because the top opens up like this, and you can see we have a little nylon pull right there. So I can pull this open. And what we have inside of here is, I think this is magnetic. You can see the little magnets sewn into the material right there. So when I release it, it just closes up. The nice thing about this is it should make it really easy to get your hand in there when you want that treat. Good boy, good boy. And you just reach in here, grab a treat, pull it out, give it to them, and this will kind of close up on its own. It does have a pocket on the outside here. Looks like there's a little weatherproofing right there, so you can put some small things in here that you might need. Doggy bags, that type of stuff. Then on the back, what we have are a couple of plastic clips, so you can slip this right on your belt if you have a belt. But there is also this strap that runs in the back, and it has a buckle right here, so you can put it around your waist like a fanny pack. I could throw this over my shoulder if you don't have a belt on or something like that. But I think this does make it pretty nice and easy to get in here and have your treats with you. Keep training your dog, whether you're out walking, in a dog park, just outside, without getting your pockets filled with those delicious pepperonis. Hey, if you want to pick up this bag, I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.